Time check, 2:11. This is our day 2. So andito na kami sa Sanchez Mira. We're on our way to Patapat Viaduct. Medyo mapapaaga lang, mga 3:30 siguro andun na. Mag-aantay na lang ng sunrise. Tapos alam na, Saud Beach later. Time check, it's 3:48 AM. Nandito na kami sa entrada ng Patapat Viaduct. So madilim pa. So antayin namin mag-sunrise bago kami dumiretso ng Saud Beach. Good morning. Time check, 5:06. Finally, nandiyan na si Mr. San. Morning. Good morning. We are here at Patapat. Sobrang ganda. What can you say, Mommy? You love it? Do you love it, Kuya Claude? Yeah. So, balik kami sa kotse. We're gonna head to Saud Beach. Puso. Finally at Saud Beach. Wow! Look at that. We are going to stay here at Saud Beach until mga 9. Tapos biyahe na kami ng papuntang Paway Church. Tapos magla-lunch kami sa Kusina Valentin. And then we will head down to Calle Crisologod. Meron kaming accommodation na nag-aantay sa amin for today. For the meantime, enjoy muna sila dito sa beach. So, tapos na kami sa beach, sa Saud Beach. Next stop namin is Paway. We will magla-lunch kami dun sa restaurant named Kusina Valentin. Meron daw signature na pinakbet pizza dun. Tapos tatry din siguro namin yung bagnet, or depende. Time check, it is 8:54. Okay, so move na kami ngayon. Punta na kami sa Paway. So drive muna kami papuntang Paway. So, mamaya na lang ulit pag nandun na. So originally the plan is Recta Paway. Naalala ko may Bangi Windmills nga pala. So, ayan. Ayan sila. For sure, a lot of people know this.
That's why I call you a wave.
Oh! Are you okay? Yes, you're a brave boy. Ayan. So, sayang lang, hindi gumagalaw yung iba. Baka hindi na-charge kagabi. Hindi, joke lang. So, ayan. So, yun lang. Sobrang init. Diretso na kami Paway ngayon. Touchdown. Kakain muna kami sa Kusina Valentin. Excited na kami. Saan ka excited, Mommy? Sa
pizza.
Sa pizza. Okay, me too. Are you excited? Huh? Why are you service na? Ayun. So we're finally here sa Kusina Valentin. It is literally in front of that one, the Paway Church. Tapos, as in, ayan lang. Tapos, may mga see-through window sa loob. Where you can eat and at the same time have the view. Within just 12 minutes after ordering, ay nagad yung quesong puti pizza, tapos yung calamari. Let's try. You want to try? Sobrang solid ang food. It's value for money talaga. Ayun. Punta na kami ngayon sa Calle Crisologo. May kinuha kaming accommodation. My Vegan Homes, yung pangalan niya. So, dun kami magstay for the night. To finish our day 2, yan, sa Calle Crisologo kami. Tapos, siguro, Calesa riding. And we will try the Ilocos Empanada. May sobrang solid daw doon. Nakalimutan ko yung name. Search ko lang sa TikTok ulit. Ayan. So, we're finally here at Calle Crisologo. Anong oras? 7?
Just percentage dito lang sa dining room.
What's your step? Magic place. It's the stairs, but
Thank you.
Thursday po.
okay. This question has to play on the
Wow. Do you love it? So we're finally here sa aming room.
Yes.
The hotel that I booked is MVH Hotels, My Vegan Home Hotels. Very classic na, as what adult people say, aparador. A very classic one. Look at this one.
Scary,
Yeah,
scary.
so nice, right? The toilet. Look at the flooring, oh. The flooring is nice.
Oh, that's the wood.
Nice hotel.
We're at the hotel.
Nice hotel.
I love it.
I am going to do a hotel tour. That's our room. And once you go out, they said that dito daw yung breakfast tomorrow. And then I'll try to go to the patio. Nice. It has this very nice old inspired style. This is the parking area, and then there are 3 different rooms facing the afternoon sun. I don't know if it is the same size siya ng room namin. Whenever you walk, you will hear those certain screeches on the floor. That really indicates it's a very old house, but sobra solid experience. Very nice, but can get a little bit creepy kapag night time. I'm back on the room and sila resting. Pag wala ng sun, we will go out Calle Crisologo. We will try empanada. We will try ice cream. I don't know what else. Ayun, going out with the family. We're at Calle Crisologo. Wait for us. So we are here sa Calesa na kami. Look at the horse. Horsey. Are you happy here, Raya? Oh, horse. Kami ay Ginulanis Morissette.
Mag-take out ka na.
So time check, it's 9:02 p.m. Andito kami sa My Vegan Home sa Along Calle Crisologo lang to. So check out kami ng around 5 a.m. Biyahe na kami papuntang Batad. So, in-expect namin 7 hours to 8 hours yung biyahe. So sana hindi masyado umulan and sana maging maganda yung weather bukas. Ayan sila. Finally after, tama ba? 2 nights? Hindi, isa lang pala. After sleeping on the car na upright, ayan, nasa bed na rin yung kids, pati yung wife. So, kita-kits tayo bukas pagpapunta na kami Batad.